Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you a big new update for the Hue Controller. I have made a couple new features for it, but I've also made it so that you can now download the Hue Controller, as many of you requested. This means that you don't have to allow insecure contents, and it works for both Windows and Mac. So, let me show you guys the new features. So if you go to my website now, you will see that there's actually a settings button instead of the more info button, where you can toggle different settings, like if you want to see lights that are unreachable, and you can also access these small effects down here that is something that is standard on every bridge that you can now access. And yeah, then there's also like this purple border that I think is really nice, so you can actually see which room you are accessing. Yeah, but there's also of course the download button here, and even if we log out here, you can see that there's also a big download button here. And if we click on that, we come to this website that I've created to kind of showcase the controller, and you can both download it for Windows and Mac here. And yeah, it's really easy. There's just an installer that you would use just like any other program. So let me not bother you with that. Let me just show you it working. So if I open it up here, you can see that it logs in automatically, just like on the browser. And yeah, everything works just like you're used to, like this. Yeah, but of course you can also, there's also this part of the site where you can automatically log in and everything. Yeah, so that's really cool. I think that you can now download it. And of course, when it's on your computer, you don't have to allow insecure content. You can also access a lot more on the bridge, so you can make like effects and stuff like that. I have not added that yet, but that could be something that you could add in the future, and I could add in the future. So there's a lot of opportunities by doing it this way. But personally, I think I'm gonna still use it in the browser because I just think it's nicer in the browser. But there's also now an opportunity to actually download the program for your computer. So yeah, I think that's really nice. Yeah. So here in the end, I would like to tell you a bit about why I created the Philips Hue controller. Because of course there already exist a lot of programs that you can use to control your Philips Hue lights. But for me, these programs wasn't really working that well. And also I was really excited about being able to control my lights in a browser. So that's why I created the Hue controller. And also, of course, I wanted to make it open source, so other people could reuse it or redevelop on it, or maybe even use it for their own projects in a totally different context. So that was kind of the goal of the Philips Hue controller. And I was really excited to hear from you guys that some of you were actually using it and was really excited about it. But of course, it's not for everybody, and there's many other solutions for controlling your lights. But I think this was a really interesting project, and I hope to redevelop on it in the future. And I'm excited to hear from you guys what you think about that you now can download the Hue controller to your system, and if that is something that you really like. But thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like or subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me here on YouTube. But yeah, hope to see you guys again. Bye bye.